The 2014 Land Rover Range Rover CLR SR by Lumma Design. Lumma Design introduced a new program for the Range Rover at the Goodwood Festival of Speed last June, adding to a growing portfolio of aftermarket programs that's as impressive as they come in the tuning game. From Porsche 911s to BMW X6s, there are no shortage of tuning projects that has the German tuner's badge on it, and this new CLR SR kit for the Range Rover is the latest in a long list of them. You can take one look at this Range Rover and you can immediately tell the difference. Lumma Design's penchant for building quality kits is a testament to that. This particular kit is available for both the Range Rover Sport and Vogue models, enhancing an already versatile luxury SUV with an aggressive body kit that brings out those pearly, British eyes. This kit is the kind of program that owners of the Range Rover Sport and Vogue models should definitely have their eye on. The aerodynamic kit and the modest performance improvement will definitely make it worth their time. Click past the jump to read more about the Land Rover Range Rover CLR SR by Lumma Design. Land Rover Range Rover CLR SR by Lumma Design in detail. Aftermarket tuners are always particular with the kind of programs they build for their customers. Lumma Design engineers work the same way, which is why the CLR SR program offers a unique blend of aerodynamic and performance enhancements designed to bring out the best in the Range Rover. A host of new features adorn the luxury SUV, beginning with a new front spoiler bumper bar that integrates the original fog lamps to go with new double daytime running lights. There's also a new front carbon spoiler blade just under the apron, while the rear section gets an apron bumper bar with its own integrated diffuser. Peeking out from the diffuser is a new, double-pipe, stainless steel exhaust system. Move your gaze up and you'll see a rear spoiler flap on the luggage compartment lid. Lumma Design always has a thing for fancy new wheels. The company actually builds its own, so in this case, as it went for a massive set of 22 and 23-inch wheel options, Lumma is offering its crown jewel wheel set, the CLR 23 GT, and a slightly smaller variety, the Mono 22R. Both sets of wheels are then fitted with a set of either Continental or Vredestein tires. Whatever set you choose, these wheels are understandably awesome. The Range Rover diesel engine options include a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel offered in two variants. Lumma Design's CLR SR program for the Range Rover rounds itself out with a sharp performance upgrade for diesel models of the SUV. The kit can be installed through plug-and-play plugs, adding another 30 horsepower and 44 pound-feet of torque. The Range Rover diesel engine options include a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel offered in two variants. The TD-V6 has 258 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque at its disposal, while the SD-V6 comes with 292 horsepower and the same amount of torque. With Lumma's new performance kit, those numbers improve to 288 horsepower, 484 pound-feet of torque for the TD-V6 and 322 horsepower and 484 pound-feet of torque for the SD-V6 version. Land Rover Range Rover.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.